So I'm Gene, also known as Potato Jet on YouTube, where I take cameras out into the field and try not to crash drones. I'm still working on the last part. What's really cool about Insta360 is that all I have to worry about when I'm filming is hitting that record button and just generally placing the camera where it needs to be. And then later I get to compose that shot afterwards. And now we can have it in a drone. I'm super excited to try out the Insta360 Sphere, the new invisible drone 360 camera. I'm a fan of the new camera. It's this nice clean unibody design that has the lenses built in, the battery, the memory card, and you just wrap it around. It takes 5 or 10 seconds to install and you're good to go. So we're hanging out with my buddy Oscar, who's gonna be doing some cool tricks on his bike. Now, I think the most exciting thing about the Insta360 Sphere is that there are no limits on what kind of shots you can get. There's actually a lot of AI technology inside of the app, which will do a lot of the work for you to really match up with your vision. You can still record with your primary camera. If you miss the composition, you can pull from a secondary camera. It completely stitches out the drone. It's not going to get your propellers or aircraft in the shot. Being able to fly without worrying about the composition is just like a whole different experience. You get the drone in the right position and then the framing gets done afterwards. The camera avoids all the sensors, so there's no interference issues with the GPS or anything like that. You're able to fly just as you would without it on. We have flow state stabilization, so even if your flying's a little bit rough, you're gonna end up with a super smooth shot. So it's easy to attach, it's easy to fly. Aerial 360 videos are super easy now. Shoot now and you point later, right? When you're flying, you're the pilot, but then later on, you are the cinematographer that gets to go and frame up your shots. You're able to get these kinds of shots with a beginner set of skills. With the Insta360 Sphere, it's easier than ever to get impossible drone shots.